Hi, and welcome to another tutorial of KORG PA Manager. Today, we'll be taking a look at how to convert a set. We can now convert sets between these models. You can use any of these managers to convert, but today we'll be demonstrating with the Set Manager. You can either load an existing PA2X or PA3X set, or we'll begin with a new set. Let's convert to a PA2X and PA800 set. Now we'll load the set that we want to be converting. All we need to do now is right-click, copy, come over to the left side, right-click and paste. KORG PA Manager will now convert the style alongside its sounds and samples. The style has been fully converted into the PA800 and PA2X format. That's all. Let's reset our set and this time demonstrate using the PA3X format. We can either right-click and copy the style, or this time we'll simply drag and drop the style. Once again, the style alongside its sounds and samples is being converted into the PA3X format. We can also select multiple styles by holding the Control button and clicking on the styles. Let's quickly demonstrate the conversion process with the Style Manager. By default, when you convert a style, the STS and pads are not copied. The STS will be reset to their default factory settings. Let's reset our sets and demonstrate again. This time we'll include the STS sounds and pad sounds as well. We'll copy the style again. This time, we now have the STS sounds copied over and pads copied over. Please note, when converting STS sounds, effects and other parameters will be reset to factory settings. This means the sounds will be converted, but they might not sound the same as the original due to the loss of some settings. Okay, let's switch back to Set Manager and continue with performances. Once again, all we do is drag and drop. This will convert the performances, but just like the STS settings previously, effects and other parameters will be reset to factory settings. This means the sounds will be converted, but they might not sound the same as the original due to the loss of some settings. Okay, let's move on to pads. Same as before. Drag and drop and they'll be converted. Now same with the sounds. Drag and drop and they'll be converted. That's all. Converting a set into another model is as simple as drag and drop or copy and paste. Goodbye.